to unscrew the power supply unit and remove it. The fifth step is we need to remove the heatsink fan. The seventh step is we need to remove the RAM, and the eighth step is we need to remove the expansion card. After removing the expansion card, we need to remove also the storage drive, which is the ninth step. And the 10th step is to remove the motherboard into the case. And the last step is to remove the processor. The first step is to create a space to work and prepare the needed materials. And the second step is we need to install the central processing unit on the motherboard. And after that, apply the thermal paste or the cooling system, and then install the heatsink fan. And after installing the heatsink fan, install the random access menu. And the next step is to place the motherboard on the case and screw. And then install the expansion card. And after that is install the hard drive or the storage drive. And then install the power supply unit. After installing the power supply unit, we need to connect all the connectors. And the last step is to install